Note: the heater must be mounted on a wall before use. Remove the heater and screws from the box. You may also need a drill and a screwdriver. Confirm the installation clearance for the heater as shown in the diagram. Caution: this is the minimum clearance. Adjust if needed for your situation. Drill 2 holes in the wall. Notes: the distance between the holes is 15.85 inches. Leave at least 10.24 inches clearance on each side. The holes should be at least 51.18 inches above the floor. Insert 6 mm diameter expansion pipes into the holes and tap them firmly with a hammer. Partially screw the screws into the expansion pipes, leaving some space under the screw heads for hanging the heater. Align the back mounting holes of the heater with the screw heads and hang it onto the wall. After hanging, slide the heater to the left. Then gently push it downward to lock in place. Installation is complete.